This routine will literally last you 5 days. Let's get into it. This is what you're gonna need. You're gonna part your hair into two and make sure you go in with the curl quencher and a lot of water. 2 pumps is more than enough. Distribute it all over your hair evenly as possible. Then you're gonna go ahead and part the top of your head, which is the crown, and just gonna put it up in a little bun along with the other side of your hair. Make sure the bun is pretty tight so the moisture can stay Next, you're gonna start by parting the other side of your hair into sections. You're gonna start as little as possible or as big as possible. It all depends on what type of curl you'd want. I spray water, I brush, I add product, and then I twist every single strand or as many strands as you'd like. I go ahead and do this multiple times using the curl butter until that section of hair is completely done. It is time consuming, so just make sure you do this on a day where you have time. I would also advise you do this routine in the morning when you can be air drying your hair and not at nighttime, because in my opinion it won't look as good. I went ahead and did it on the other side and I finished that up. Next is the top part. This is crucial. I start off by parting like so. I then drench it in product and water and brush it and start doing the little strands again. But this time the strands go backwards and make sure you're brushing forward. I go ahead and do this to all of my crown, literally all of it. Reminder that the bigger the strands, the bigger the curls will be, and the smaller the strands, the smaller the curls will be. This part is where I determine where my small part will be, and it's the very front of my hair. Then I take 2 pumps on each side and then the bottom, and I scrunch my hair. After you're done, you should let it air dry, and it should look a little something like this. Of course, we can't forget our white hair mist so our hair can smell good. Bye!